Hi guys, Britt Tech here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take screenshots on your MacBook Pro. So it's very simple. If you'd like to take a screenshot of just an image, you're going to select Command, Shift, and the number 4. So, excuse my nails, but Command, then Shift, then number 4 all at one time. And then if you would like to take a screenshot of the entire screen, you're going to select Command, Shift, and the number 3 all at the same time. So we're going to do that one first. We're going to do Command, Shift, 3 of the entire screen, and it's going to take a screenshot. So let's try it out. So Command, Shift, then 3. Uh-oh, hold on. Command, Shift, 3. There we go. And then Command Shift 4 will take just a selection. So, or just an image. So Command Shift number 4. And then it brings that little symbol. And then you drag it to whatever image you want to screenshot. Drag it over it. And then let it go. And there's your screenshot. Now let's see. It should be on the desktop. And there you have it. There's the first one. And here's the second one. Of the entire screen and then just the image. Alright guys, hope that helps.